Hey popcorn lovers, today we're delving into the rich history of everyone's favorite movie munch, popcorn. Join us as we uncover the surprising origins and evolution of this crunchy delight. Popcorn isn't just a modern-day treat, its story spans thousands of years, starting way back in the Americas. Archaeological evidence suggests that popcorn was first cultivated in what is now Mexico over 9,000 years ago. Can you imagine that? From there, popcorn spread across the Americas, becoming a staple food for indigenous peoples like the Aztecs and Native American tribes. They popped kernels over open flames, creating a snack that was both tasty and practical. When European explorers arrived in the Americas, they were introduced to popcorn and quickly took a liking to it. Soon, popcorn made its way across the Atlantic and gained popularity in Europe and beyond. Fast forward to colonial America, and popcorn was everywhere. Street vendors sold it, and it became a favorite treat at fairs and events. But it wasn't until the 19th century that popcorn production really took off. Thanks to advancements in agricultural technology and food processing, popcorn could now be popped on a large scale. Popcorn machines were developed, making it easier than ever to enjoy this crunchy snack. Then came the golden age of cinema in the early 20th century, and popcorn found its true calling. Movie theaters started selling popcorn to patrons, and it quickly became a must-have snack for moviegoers. World War II brought sugar rations, leading to a decline in candy consumption. But popcorn stepped up to the plate, becoming a more affordable and accessible snack for Americans everywhere. Today, popcorn remains a beloved snack all around the world. Whether you're enjoying it at the movies, snacking on microwave popcorn at home, or trying out gourmet flavors, there's no denying the timeless appeal of popcorn. And there you have it, folks, the fascinating history of popcorn. We hope you enjoyed learning about the origins of this iconic snack as much as we enjoyed sharing it with you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty content. Until next time, keep popping and snacking.